Hello viewers, in today's video I'm going to show you how to write the process chart of the academic IELTS writing task 1. Just before I get started, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button, also comment below. This way I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future. My name is Sridhar Santhanam. I'm the founder of CELPIP Academy. Let's get started. So we have a process chart. And the diagram below shows the process by which bricks are manufactured for the building industry. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So I see that there is a digger, then there is a metal grid, and the metal grid is on the roller, sand plus water is mixed, wire cutter, bricks, mold, drying oven, then there's a kiln, and the bricks are heated from moderate to a high temperature. There is a cooling chamber, then the packaging is done. Finally, it's delivered to its recipient, building companies. All right, let's get started. The process chart illustrates seven stages that are involved in brick manufacturing as is seen from the chart that a digger digs the clay and finally the bricks are delivered to its to the building companies. Okay, the process chart illustrates several stages that are involved in brick manufacturing, as is seen from the chart that a digger digs the place, and finally the bricks are delivered to the building companies. All right. So this is how we have introduced. As I said earlier in my videos, that either you start by saying to begin with, and to conclude you use overall, or if you're starting overall, you have to say finally in the third or fourth paragraph. You can write up to 3 or 4 paragraphs. All right. To begin with, the digger digs the clay and the clays are sent to a metal grid, with a roller on it, which sieves the clays into a finer particle. All right. So to begin with, the digger digs the clay and the clays are sent to a metal grid with a roller on it, which means filters, sieves the clays into a finer particles. Further, okay, so what else? So finer particle. Further, the clays are mixed with sand and water. Mixed with sand plus water. And are poured in a mold. Okay. Okay, so it's poured in a mold. Once having taken the bricks out of the mold, then it's semi-solid. The wire cutter cuts the bricks. Okay. Followed by the bricks are cut by a wire cutter followed by the bricks are cut by a wire cutter and the finer bricks are sent to a drying oven to be dried from 24 to 48 hours. Okay. Then what? It is moderately or heated with a high temperature. Okay, then what? After that, they are sent to a film to be heated moderately from 200 degree Celsius to 980 degrees Celsius. 80 degree Celsius. But if the bricks need reheating, then it is further heated from 870 degrees Celsius to a high of 1300 degrees Celsius. From 870 degree Celsius to 1000 degree, 300 degree Celsius. All right, so after that, they are sent to a kiln to be heated moderately from 200 degrees Celsius to 980 degrees Celsius. But if the bricks need reheating, then it is further heated from 870 degrees Celsius to 1300 degrees Celsius. Then what? The bricks are then sent to the cooling chambers. Cooling chambers 48 to 72 hours. So bricks are then sent to the cooling chambers. We'll be doing the proofreading later to be cooled from 48 hours to 72 hours. Okay, 48 hours to 72 hours. Finally, it is sent for packaging and the packaged bricks are then delivered in trucks to its recipients. All right. So we can say overall and finally to conclude. Overall, the digger digs the clay. Let's do the proofreading now. Okay, this is how you need to write the process chart. And comfortably, I've written 180 words instead of 150, which is a good thing. Let's proofread it once. The process chart illustrates 7 stages that are involved in brick manufacturing. As is seen from the chart, that a digger digs the clays and finally the bricks are delivered to the building companies. Overall, the digger digs the clay and the clays are sent to a metal grid with a roller on it, which sieves the clays to a finer particle. Further, the clays are mixed with sand plus water and are poured in a mold. Followed by the bricks are cut by a wire cutter and the finer bricks are sent to a drying oven to be dried from 24 to 48 hours. After that, they are sent to a kiln to be heated moderately from 200 degrees Celsius to 980 degrees Celsius. But if the bricks need reheating, then it is further heated from 870 degrees Celsius to 1300 degrees Celsius. The bricks are then sent to a cooling chamber to be cooled from 48 hours to 72 hours. Finally, it is sent for packaging and the packed bricks are then delivered in trucks to its recipients. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more such videos, like I said, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.